enjoyed your meal and want to share your experience? Let's learn how to rate a restaurant on Uber Eats. Hi, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in today's video, I will show you how to rate a restaurant on Uber Eats. So let's get started. First, open the Uber Eats app. Tap on the account icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the orders section. Here you can see all your recent orders. I haven't ordered recently, so it is blank. But if you have, just find the particular order and the restaurant that you want to rate. Then tap on the rate order option below it. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions and rate the restaurant. And this is how you can rate a restaurant on Uber Eats. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.